voice
that I ain't going
nowhere.
I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it, that I wasn't going.
So instead of having really basic looking faux locks, why not spice them up and make them look like this? Oh my gosh, looking like a whole Nubian, and they look so natural. Anyway, let me show you how I did it. This is how you make faux locks. It's so easy. So if you are a girlie who does her own hair, this should be very easy, and if you've never done it before, it is still very easy. So you literally just twist your hair, get a crochet needle and put the faux lock on, literally on the needle, and then you take one of your faux locks, unravel it, unravel the faux lock and fold your natural hair if it's really long. If not, you can probably just keep it how it is, but if it's my length, then fold it, and then you literally hold the faux lock and your hair in one hand, and you just wrap the faux lock hair around the lock. It's amazing. It's actually amazing. So usually you would have like spare faux locks lying around. I had some spare ones, so I just used it. And I literally just continued that process. When I ran out of hair, I add it on to the end, and I keep wrapping. I use about 3 pieces, and then I go to the bottom of my hair where my hair ends, and I just roll it in my palms, and then I continue that process. Make your faux locks with ready-made locks, and then we're going to take 2 of them, and we are going to make a twist, a regular twist. Look how gorgeous that is. At the bottom, we're just going to fold it up, use an elastic band to secure it. And then I lift my hair up just to make sure I'm making all of the twists around the same length. And then I make a rope going upwards. So you can see how I do it there. And then we're using another elastic band to secure it. So we're having like a short bob vibe. Should I say a lob? Having a lob. And then I literally continue the process. And there we have it, babes. Look at that. Look how gorgeous it is. And you can literally move your hair, flip your hair straight away if you don't do it too tight. And yeah, I love the natural vibe, but it also looks very, very tidy. Style lasted me ages. My hair grew a lot. Yeah, girls, get onto it. Follow the steps, very easy. Twist them together, use elastic bands on the end, and then make a short rope going up the braid. Very, very simple. And when I went outside, I felt very, very sweet. Yes. All right, follow for more. Bye.